Hello everyone, today I will show you how to upgrade the firmware of the Akaso Babe 7. So before anything else, we will turn on this Akaso Babe 7 and check the version of the firmware of this Akaso Babe 7. So we click the preference and we click general settings and scroll down or scroll up and click about. Then here is the version. Sorry for the light. So this is the version of the Brave 7. This one, the soft version. So we're gonna update it on our mobile phone using the Akaso Go app. So before anything else, before we upgrade the firmware of this action camera, we need to ensure that the battery of this Brave 7 is enough or it's not low battery, and we need to make sure that our SD card here, we need to make sure that it has enough storage so it will not corrupt the SD card or the camera itself on the upgrading time. This memory card is almost full, so I have this one. Akaso sent this to me, and thank you Akaso for sending me this new SD card. So it says 64 GB. So thank you Akaso. And now we will open this. Okay, we don't need this. It says please insert SD card, so we'll turn off first and then we insert the new memory card or the new SD card. Okay, so this is a new SD card and it has a 241 minutes of recording time. Here you can see it has 241 minutes of recording time. Then my setting it is on 1080p by 60 fps and the battery is almost 95%. So we will open the Wi-Fi of this Akaso. And now there is a password, so we will open our mobile phone, this one. First we go on our Wi-Fi settings, then we connect it to Akaso B7B1 there because this one is on Wi-Fi mode. Then we connect it, then the password is 1 to 0. So we type it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 and connect. So it's connected. Then we go to Akaso Go app, then device, then add device. So our camera is Brave 7, so we click on Brave 7, then click the above operation has been confirmed. Okay, then next step, allow Akaso Go to access this device location, yes, while using the app. Then it says new firmware upgrade. The system firmware version is too outdated, please upgrade to the latest version. So we click it. Then this one, this is the important, you must check this, the new version. It has 21 MB. It says check out all the improvements in the latest firmware. Number 1, take photos in low light using voice commands as usual. Number 2, normally capture slow motion video in 720p at 4 times speed with dark light mode enabled. And number 3, other bug fixes. So we're gonna download it. this one. Then we wait. Oh, it says internet connection. Please connect the internet before switch to network. So I'm connected, then we connect to Wi-Fi. Now it's downloading. Here. Oops, cancel. It's downloading. So we need to connect it to the Wi-Fi internet. So it's downloading now. It says do not disconnect from the network. Now it's done. We connect device. Then please go to your phone's Wi-Fi setting to connect to device Wi-Fi. So connect it to the Akaso Brave 7 Wi-Fi. There, it's connected. Then we go back, and there, the system is being upgraded. So we wait. Because the system is being upgraded. So now it's flashing blue. So the system is upgrading. So we wait until it's being upgraded. So it says upgrade successful. Now let's try it now. There. So the camera's turned off. Then we go turn on. There. It's turned on. Then it is being resetted. So English. We go on English. Okay, swipe down. Swipe up, left, right. Start enjoying your 4K camera. Go. There you go. Our Akaso Brave 7 is now being upgraded. So let's check the firmware. So let's go to preferences, and then we go to general settings and about. So there. If you can see on our last version, it's now being upgraded. There you go. Our Akaso Brave 7 is now upgraded. So there you go. I hope it can help you. So give this video a like, and thank you for watching this. Thank you, Akaso.